Elephants are iconic. They are majestic, embodying the grandeur of the natural world. These giants roam our planet, captivating our hearts and minds with their sheer presence and grace. Their story is one of evolution, adaptation, and survival, spanning millions of years. Join us as we journey through time, exploring the rich history of these magnificent creatures. We will explore the fascinating world of elephants, from their prehistoric ancestors to their modern descendants, uncovering the secrets of their lineage. Elephants belong to a group called Proboscidea, a diverse order of animals. This group includes their extinct relatives, the mammoths and mastodons, which roamed the earth long before humans. Their story goes back millions of years, a testament to their resilience and adaptability. We will uncover the secrets of their evolution, understanding how they have thrived through changing climates and landscapes. We will see how they have adapted to changing environments, from the lush forests to the arid savannas. From the savannas of Africa to the forests of Asia, elephants have made their mark, leaving an indelible impression on the landscapes they inhabit. Their size and strength are awe-inspiring, a true marvel of nature's design. Yet they are also known for their intelligence and social complexity, forming deep bonds within their herds. We will delve into the world of these gentle giants, exploring their behaviors and interactions. We will learn about their social structures, communication, and remarkable memories which are key to their survival. The story of the elephant is not just one of natural history, but also a narrative deeply intertwined with human culture. It is also a story intertwined with our own, as humans have long been fascinated by these majestic creatures. Humans have depicted them in art, mythology, and religion, celebrating their grandeur and mystique. We have depicted them in art, mythology, and religion, yet our relationship with them has also been one of exploitation. Leading to their endangerment and the need for conservation efforts. The story of the elephant begins not with a giant, but with a creature much smaller. Imagine a world teeming with life, where the ancestors of today's majestic elephants were no larger than a pig. Picture an animal the size of a pig, wading through the swamps of prehistoric Africa. This was a time when the earth was vastly different, with lush, dense vegetation and a climate that supported a myriad of unique creatures. This was Phosphotherium, the earliest known ancestor of the elephant, living some 60 million years ago. Despite its small size, Phosphotherium played a crucial role in the evolutionary journey of elephants. Phosphotherium may not have looked like an elephant, it lacked a trunk and tusks. Its appearance was more akin to a small, stout mammal, yet it held the genetic blueprint for future giants. But it possessed certain features. These features, though subtle, were the foundation upon which the magnificent elephants of today would be built. These features would later evolve into the hallmarks of elephants we know today. The journey from Phosphotherium to the modern elephant is a testament to the power of evolution. One such feature was its teeth. These teeth were not just for chewing, they were the precursors to the complex dental structures seen in today's elephants. These teeth showed a pattern that would become the elephant's distinctive molars. The molars of Phosphotherium were the early blueprints of the intricate dental patterns that elephants are known for. Over millions of years, the descendants of Phosphotherium evolved. They grew larger, their heads became heavier. This gradual increase in size and weight was a significant step in their evolutionary path. Their upper lips and noses started to elongate, gradually forming a rudimentary trunk. This elongation was a crucial adaptation, allowing these creatures to better interact with their environment. This proto-trunk was not the versatile appendage we see today. It was a simple structure, yet it marked the beginning of a significant evolutionary development. But it was the first step in the evolution of the elephant's most iconic feature. The trunk would eventually become a multifunctional tool, essential for survival. One important ancestor was Moeritherium. This creature represents a significant link in the evolutionary chain. This creature lived about 37 million years ago. Its existence provides valuable insights into the evolutionary history of elephants. It was about the size of a tapir. This size comparison helps us understand the gradual increase in size that occurred over millions of years. It had a flexible upper lip and a small trunk. These features were early adaptations that would be refined in future generations. It spent much of its time near water, using its trunk to snorkel and grasp vegetation. This behavior highlights the early use of the trunk for feeding and breathing, setting the stage for the complex trunk function seen in modern elephants. The evolution of the elephant's trunk is a marvel of natural selection, a process that has taken millions of years to perfect. Over millions of years, this fusion of the nose and upper lip transformed from a simple prehensile tool into a multi-purpose organ of astonishing dexterity and strength. The trunk is capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from picking up tiny objects to uprooting large trees. As elephants grew larger, their necks became shorter. This anatomical change made it increasingly difficult for them to reach the ground for food and water. The trunk evolved as a solution to this problem, allowing elephants to access resources that would otherwise be out of reach. The lengthening trunk provided a solution. It allowed them to reach high into trees for leaves and down to the ground for grasses. This adaptability ensured that elephants could thrive in a variety of environments, from dense forests to open savannas. The trunk also became a crucial tool for drinking. Elephants can suck up to 10 liters of water into their trunks at a time, which they then spray into their mouths. This unique method of drinking is not only efficient but also essential for their survival in arid regions. The trunk is not just a long arm, it is also a sensitive organ of smell. Elephants have an extraordinary sense of smell, which they use to detect water sources, identify other elephants, and even sense danger from predators. With over 40,000 muscles, it can perform delicate tasks like picking up a single blade of grass or trumpeting a warning call that can be heard for miles. This versatility makes the trunk an indispensable tool for survival. The trunk is essential for communication, social interaction, and even self-defense. Elephants use their trunks to greet each other, show affection, and establish social bonds. In times of danger, the trunk can be used to fend off threats or signal a warning to the herd. The trunk evolved in tandem with the elephant's increasing size. As their bodies grew larger, the trunk became more robust and versatile, capable of supporting the elephant's needs in various ways. As their heads grew larger to accommodate their massive tusks, the trunk became even more important for tasks like drinking and gathering food. The trunk's ability to manipulate objects with precision is unmatched in the animal kingdom. The trunk is a testament to the power of natural selection to shape remarkable adaptations. It stands as one of the most extraordinary examples of evolutionary innovation, perfectly suited to meet the diverse needs of these magnificent creatures. Tusks, those elongated incisor teeth, are another striking feature of elephants. They are not just for show. These formidable weapons have played a crucial role in the elephant's survival. Over time, tusks have evolved to serve a variety of purposes. Originally, tusks were likely used for digging. Elephants used them to unearth roots and water. As they evolved, tusks became essential for foraging. They stripped bark from trees and dug for salt and minerals. The tusks also became formidable weapons for defense against predators and rivals. The size and shape of tusks have varied greatly throughout elephant evolution. Some prehistoric elephants, like the Gomphotheres, had 4 tusks. Others, like the Deinotheres, had downward curving tusks on their lower jaw. Today, only African elephants, both male and female, possess these impressive ivory appendages. Tusks are not without their drawbacks. While they offer an evolutionary advantage, they have also made elephants vulnerable to poaching. The ivory trade has decimated elephant populations. This highlights the complex relationship between adaptation and survival.